Hi guys, I thought I'd give you a little update on the conversion of the garage, concrete based garage. So I'll show you what I'm doing. We're getting somewhere now because as you can see behind me, I'm applying the plywood on top of the insulation board foam. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. So as you can see, I've applied the plywood to the walls. So it does look like it's coming along. The challenge I'm having here is how to apply the plywood to the actual ceiling, because there's not many wooden rafters. So my solution was to apply the plywood but leave a gap at the top. And I'll just simulate what we're going to do. Here we're going to slot in a bit of plywood there, and then we can nail it to that wall, that rafter in the roof, and another one further up. So I just wanted to give you a bit of a demonstration of how we're going to put it in the corners, because with a concrete based garage you have nothing to apply it to. So I just thought I'd show you where we're at. If you're wondering what that is, it's an aerial for a TV. One of the difficult things is the roof, cutting the wood and angling it right. Now I don't possess the necessary tools, so it's trial and error and just guesswork with a tape measure. But so far we're not doing a bad job. So I just wanted to show you where we're at with the conversion. As you can see, I've also finished doing the insulation for the roof throughout the entire garage. If you're wondering what those things are that are hanging down, it's just foam that I've sprayed in to fill in the gaps. So I just thought I'd show you where we're at the moment. It is coming along. It is a work in progress, but it is starting to look like a games room now. And I'll show you my next update when I've got the time. Thank you. Bye.